Hey everybody, welcome to the Daily App Show. Today we have an app for the iPhone or the iPod Touch for you called Bird Todo. This is a task management application that actually speaks to you. So you can see here in the main section of the application, we have all of our tasks. You could see any that have no due date, ones that are due soon, and so on and so forth. And what we can do is select the option for them to be read to us by the application, and that will simply play for us. You don't need any type of network connection to play this. It will simply play directly from the device.
On October 19th at 03:35 p.m. Search tasks. How to restore TTS
And we can turn that off just by tapping it again. We can search through different tasks by pressing the search button, and we can prioritize these by either date or priority and filter those, or by title as well. We can also edit these and get rid of some if we would like to, and press the done when we're done. Simply tapping the box will mark it as completed, and we can view different lists such as ones that are due today, soon, any that are overdue. Slide over, you can see we have a tip section and one for our vacation. Now if we select an item that is already created, we can view any notes, our start date and end date, any recurring items, category, and what the actions are. And we can even have this read to us as well.
Bird Todo reminds you the task. Pack for trip in vac.
To create a new task, all we have to do is press the plus button here in the middle and create a new one. Maybe this one is going to be called Jacob's, and give it a note. Maybe this note is going to be happy birthday for him, and press the create button. We then give it a start date. Maybe it is going to be today at 6:30 p.m. and press the done button, and the end date on whenever it is going to be, maybe 6:35, to make sure that we get that call done. We can have it be recurring however often that we would like it to, either daily, weekly, or monthly, and give it a category. This one, it is going to be a personal, and give it an action. We can set an action to set up a call, an email, something in our browser, or an SMS. So this is going to be a call. We can either choose an existing contact or enter a phone number. We're just going to enter in a phone number here and press the create button. Then we can give it between certain lists on and off. We're going to give it in our vacation or our tips list, or we can go in later and add in some. So this one's just going to be in our tips, and set an alarm to make sure that we are reminded. Maybe we're going to be reminded 5 minutes before or so, or just a few minutes before, and press the set alarm button. So once we create that, you can see once we come into our main area, it is now going to be added in there, and it will set that for us. We can sync this if we'd like to Tutorial, and also it will automatically sync with our iCloud. Any done items we can view in here, and it will show us all the ones that we have finished if we need to go back and view them. We can set up recurring tasks such as put the trash cans out. Maybe we need it to happen every week, so we can set that recurring to be weekly, and make sure that that happens so that the garbage man can pick them up on pickup day, and press the create button there. We can set it to some actions if we ever needed to for that. If we weren't going to be home, maybe we wanted to text somebody to remind them, give it a category and create that as well. In the settings of the application here, we can change the theme. As you can see, we have all kinds of different color themes that we can use here. And we can have our text-to-speech volume, pitch, and speed adjustments, as well as the maximum tasks to be read. And we can come in and log in with our Tutorial accounts, as well as view some support or write a review, and go to the Facebook and the Twitter of the application. Once again, this application is available for the iPhone and the iPod Touch. It's called Bird Todo. If you like it, be sure to pick it up in the App Store.